To integrate tan x dx, we come and say from tan x, which can also equal to sin x out of cos x, sin x out of cos x, we can write and say our integral of tan x dx is equal to integral of sin x out of cos x dx. Therefore, using change of variable, we say let u equal to cos x. So we go ahead and differentiate it. So our du dx can equal to negative sin x. So we make dx the subject. So when you make dx the subject, you have dx is equal to negative du out of sin x. Therefore, when we substitute it back, our integral tan x is equal to the integral of sin x out of u, which is the cos x, times negative du out of sin x. So we cross the sin x, and then we shall remain with our negative out, integral of 1 out of u du. Now when you integrate 1 out of u, we get ln u. So we shall have negative ln u plus c. Substituting back the u, we shall have negative ln cos of x plus c. So that is the integral of tan x. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it has helped you. Thank you.